Die Bibliotheek colony nu tamid ag donna pizza bio Gaeilge a piece of lei horror again. Shut on scale the lei. I know a lot of you might not have brought the book home with you. It is up on the homework tab. It's also available here. So what we're going to do is a little read along with me now. So again, I'd encourage you to read the story first, pause the video, and then let me read afterwards. See if you make any mistakes that I do or don't, and then go on to reread it again. Shulin. Okay, before I do, Mahu, Posh, Michael, presumably Michael Jordan, August Emma, Forshiv on Pointy is Origin, the highest points in our Kahoot. There's one day remaining, so if anyone wants to try and beat them, see if they can get closer to Mr. Fitzpatrick, away you go there with the pin. Okay, Shullin a Roland leis scale. And you on scale atá gwyn na on stampa, the stamp. Kerkalor. So why don't you have a go reading this story now, and afterwards I will read. Okay. The album Stampy ag Rory. The Stampy ega o Aaron, o Hasna, on Spawn, on Idal, agus o Verica. Hui Rory gutí an show Stampy. The galore Stampy deal an. The arrogant ag Rory ach níor cheannig sé einrod. Bhí na Stampy row there. Okay. So obviously we should figure out now that our story is about stamps. So Rory has a collection of stamps, or he had an album of stamps. He had stamps from Erin, Era, Sosna, England, on Spawn, Spain, on Idal, Italy, agus ó Verica, America. Huig Rory gotí show Stampy. So a show is a show, so Stampy show, a stamp show. There was galore, a lot of stamps, deal on sale. The arrogant ag Rory ach níor cheannig, he didn't buy Einrod anything. Bhí na Stampy row year, the stamps were too expensive. Okay, we're going to have a readinish, leianish, agus anshin leim. Antronona shin, bhí Laura ag glana a shamra. Bhí Rory ag Carolei. For Laura shan litter. Costi an litter an orlor. Hoag Rory an litter. Bhí stampa an glúdach litterach. Shan stampa an Austral a bhí an. Bhuan Rory an stampa den glúdach litterach. Okay. And Trinonishin, that evening, Laura was cleaning her room. Bhí Laura ag Caru, helping. For Laura shan litter, she got an old letter. Costi on an orlor. Costi on litter an orlor. She threw the letter on the floor. Hoag to take. Hoag Rory on litter. Bhí stampa an glúdach. And the glúdach was the cover. Well, a letter cover is an envelope. An glúdach litterach envelope cover. So what we call that, that's just an envelope. Shan stampa, so an old stamp on Austral from Australia was on it. Buan to take off. Buan Rory on stampa den glúdach. Good hinkach. Kerkalor. Leianish. Sanshin ban mishag le. Kerkalor. Deck Rory an stampa. Bhí sé an sása. Duscail Rory a cartlóg an sin. Chonaic sé an stampa céine. Is fiú €100 an stampa seo. Hui Rory ras go dtí an show Stampy. Heispáin sé an stampa dar. Déag an fear an stampa go géir, ba bhaithla mé a cheannach. Tá bronnarm níl sé díal. So déag Rory an stampa. Bhí sé ansásta. He was very happy. Dus go sé catalog, so catalog an sin then. Connic sé an stampa céine. He saw the same stampa. Is few €100 on stampa show. This stamp is worth €100. Huig sé arascadi an show. He went back to the show. Spáin sé an stampa d'ar to a man. Deg an bar an stampa go géir. But what am I a ceannach? I would like to buy it. Tá browner. I'm sorry, níl sé deal. It's not for sale. Okay, Kerkelar, Mashiv, Bugliv, Colony. Going to take a look at Kukla Kastana. So the album Stampi Eglora. Fear no Brega. The Stampi Rory on Spawn. Canig Rory Stampa Egan Show Stampy. Canig Bought. The Rory Eglana Ahyomer. Was it Rory? The Shan Stampa on Austral an Glúdach Litrach. Austral, Australia. Ceannig an fear an Shan Stampa on Austral. Ceannig bought. Okay, Shona Keshna. Ka Nyaki Rory. Nyaki? Well, Nyaki is the question form of Kuig again, so our answer is going to start with Kuig. Cared. What? The deal. Deal? On sale. Cain fought. Why? Nar cheannig Rory stampa bit. Why didn't he buy any stamps? Car. Where? Car caught Laura on litter. Where did she throw the letter? Cared a V an glúdach litrach. What was on the envelope? Yield Rory on Shan stampa on Austral? Yield, did he sell? So, did he sell the old stamp from Australia? Right guys, if you could current a cash in the shot in the cup player, that would be got híntaach. Sulgum goal should like Iri Gama, and I'll be a kind lad go lua soon. Slán.